Okay, so next family adventure slash holiday we're going on. We're travelling up to a place called Cape Hillsborough, which is north of Mackay in Queensland, and we're going to visit the farmer and his wife who put me up, and I stayed with for 4 months when I first ever arrived to Australia. So we were sent out to one of his cattle stations. Had like one of the best times of my life, 4 months out working there for him, you know, exploring, doing some pretty cool stuff. We stayed in contact. It's actually 9.5 years ago that I left there, so we're having a bit of a reunion and taking Shana and the boys up and going to spend a week up in Cape Hillsborough with them. So this is we had a pit stop at Frankie's house. Frankie lives in a place called Tannum Sands, which is near Gladstone. So we came up here the other night. We spent last night with him, and that was about a 7 hour journey. And now we're about to do the next leg of the journey, which is another 6 hours, making the total trip so far 1,000 k. Lane doesn't want to leave. He wants to stay at Opa's house.
Open it.
Hi Frankie, see you next week. Right, so we've made a little pit stop on the way, having a little spot of lunch in a place called Clairview, and look at that water. Lunch, Lane?
Yeah.
You didn't eat anything, you naughty boy.
No, you didn't.
You wanna go on the beach?
Yeah.
Come on then. Right, you gotta walk in the shade because the sand's too hot, guys. Run faster, it's hot! It's hot!
Yeah.
Say cheese! Is it salt? You gotta run over the hot sand, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
I can't run.
You can't run! We made it to the guy. And we made it! Jump up! Right, we're taking the dogs for a bit of a run now on the quad bike, so it should be fun.
That's Vicky's old cruise, remember? Might have to try that.
Yeah. Daddy, look at that me. Yeah. I hear.
You got to give it to the cows.
Paxton. Can you hear him?
You hear that big bull over there?
Yeah.
That's a big.
This big chap's McGregor.
You take it out, McGregor. Hey, how you going, old mate, old buddy, old pal?
Oh, look at this!
Wait, don't be a bitch. Yeah. Hurry up. Hold on, little man.
Hold on.
Oi! Got it. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, bloody carrots. How you going, good? Yeah. There's the big dam over there we come from.
Yeah. Holy.
And the ocean.
And that's the ocean, yeah. Hanging around today. He's not hanging around. He's not talking today, Lane. Keep going.
No.
These are the working dogs that help him catch the cows when they do the muster.
Yeah.
Hello, papas. Don't. See if we give you a high five.
Die from it.
Today we're heading out to Ben Bullen Farm to put some fences together, some gates for the mustering. We got the ringers in the back, all suited and booted, wearing their long sleeves and pants, and good to go. Shana's getting involved too. You drive it off. Is this cool? Smile! Right, me and Lane are going to drive the Bobcat. You going to drive?
Yeah.
Yeah? This is a fancy Bobcat. This one's got bloody air conditioning. It's got all sorts. It's moving up in the world. Right, now it's Paxie's turn in the Bobcat. You ready, Paxie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look, there's a kangaroo. Are you going to come back? He's going for a swim.